Tom Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with one of our updated wheel hub bearings designed to fit the front wheels of any 2006 through 2009 Ford Explorer and Mercury Mountaineer. This wheel hub features the same ABS connector as your vehicle for easy installation. The ABS prevents the wheels from locking and ensures the stability of the vehicle's braking direction and prevents side slips and deviations. With a hub pilot diameter of 3.346 inches, the hub bolt circle at 4.49 inches, a flange diameter at 6.299 inches, a bolt circle diameter at 4.5 inches, in addition to the 5 pre-installed bolts and 27 splines on the inside, this wheel hub is designed to eliminate your wheel noise and vibrations. Composed of steel, this wheel hub is extremely durable and reliable, and is the perfect direct fit solution that replaces your aged or worn out wheel hub and extends the longevity of your vehicle.